Being a werewolf has many problems: shedding, fleas, and extremely bad hair days.
Then one night, they discovered something life-changing.
Do you think they mean us?
Maybe. Let's find out.
The werewolves bravely entered the grooming salon.
Are you sure about this?
Relax. What's the worst that could happen?
Hold still, you big mutt!
Bro, it feels strangely fabulous.
Hold still, this will help.
For the first time in centuries, the werewolves experienced conditioner.
Oh, look for me!
My fur has never looked so wholesome. Even the full moon couldn't ruin a professional trim.
Yeah, we look great.
Let's go show off. They no longer terrorized villages. Next time, we try the podicure.
Only if they throw in a flea shield.